Hey there, Christopher Thunder here. Sorry for the nature show in the background. My wife is watching TV. If you have a power supply for something like a phone, right, and your phone is going dead, say at the other end, so it's powering a phone charger unit, what you do is you lay this wire down on a table and then you poke it with some sewing pins, right? So if I touch this one, that's positive, and if I touch that one, that's negative, right? So these are just pins that you find for clothes, say when you buy a new dress shirt or something like that, and you're just stabbing them into the wire when the wire's on a table. And one is on the white wire, one's on the black wire. So what you do is you touch it with your voltage meter, and your voltage meter reads something like 5.14 volts or something like that. 5 volts, right? So if this is a 5-volt charger and that's reading 5 volts, then chances are everything's working great with that charger unit. This little pin trick was something I had learned a while back. Makes it so much easier to test for voltage. If you can't do that, cut this really short. So cut it a couple inches here, cut it a couple inches at the other end, and then twist the wires together. And chances are you'll have a working phone charger again. It just has a really short cord. Thanks for watching.